Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi stuck on obtaining IP address problem in Android. First of all, what you have to do is open your settings on your Android, go to network and internet, click on internet, and then simply long press your Wi-Fi connection and simply click on forget. And then what you have to do is reconnect to your Wi-Fi with password and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is click on the gear icon here in front of your Wi-Fi signals, and then click on the pencil icon on the top right corner. Click on advanced options, select DHCP and set it to static. Then what you have to do is change the IP address. For instance, you have to type in 192.168.1. You have to change, you can type in any digit like 129, 120, and then click on save and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, make it back to DHCP, click on save. Now what you have to do is in your settings, main setting page, you have to type in reset. As you can see, we have reset options. I will select reset options. Click on reset options. I have multiple options. So what you have to do is simply reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click here. It will then make your phone restart. And after your phone is restarted, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.